Hi, I'm Turkowall, and I'm an architect for Turkowall Movable Partitions, and I'm responsible for international projects. And I'd like to introduce two systems of ours, which are the best-selling sisters. Next we are the Panelit and Pansmart system, and I would like to briefly explain what these systems are before I show you. So the Panelit system is a fully manual system, which is acoustic. It has a European standard acoustic mechanism inside the panel, which is responsible for seating the system both vertically and horizontally. And the other system, which is the Pansmart system, is similar to the Panelit system, but it has an electric switch. It is a semi-automatic system, meaning that once you push the panels manually, the acoustic mechanisms operate automatically. Both of these systems have an average acoustic rating of 48 decibels. However, if your surrounding premise, if you have, let's say, an acoustic ceiling, acoustic flooring, and an acoustic wall surrounding the space, you can reach up to 60 decibels with these two systems. Now I would like to show you how the systems work. I would like to start first with the Panelit system. And as you can see here, this is the crank handle which is responsible for seating the mechanism. As you can see here on the top and the bottom, it's currently sealed. And here, this is the start module. This start module can be hidden inside your wall. And also on the top here, we have the rail itself, which can also be hidden inside your suspended ceiling. Now let me open the system so that you can see how it operates. So as you can see here with three full rotations, I can open the guillotine mechanism. As you can see here, that you can see the gaps. And once I rotate it and move it here, it means that you're going to have an open space. And now I'm going to close the system. I'm going to put in the handle. As you can see with three full rotations, I have closed the gaps in the upper and lower part of the panel. And now I'll show you the same with the Pansmart system so that you can understand the differences. As you can see here, this sample has a button here. And this button is usually at the last or the telescopic system, which is responsible for seating the whole system horizontally. And I will just try to open it now so that you can understand better the differences between these two systems. In the Pansmart system, once I open this system, you can see that the gaps are open from the bottom and the top of the system. Now I can move it to open the whole system. If I have 5 or 6 panels, it will be faster to operate than the Panelit system. So basically, these systems are quite similar. The only difference is the operation of the guillotine mechanism. This is just the brief explanation of these two systems. And thank you very much for your time. And we'll be waiting for your questions in the comments below.